Want your Galaxy S25 Ultra to speak every character as you type? This is super useful if you are learning to type, have vision difficulties, or just want better audio feedback. Here's how to make it happen. Open Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility, then tap Vision Enhancement. Scroll down the screen. Tap Speak Keyboard Input Aloud. Under What to Read section, select Characters. To easily turn on or off this feature, you can enable its shortcut by tapping Speak Keyboard Input Aloud shortcut. Turn it on, and then select the desired shortcut. As the example, we will select Tap Accessibility button. Now let's try it out. Go to the screen where you can type with your keyboard, like writing a note. Tap the Accessibility button, and then tap Speak Keyboard Input Aloud. Type with your keyboard.
THIS space IS space SPEAK space KEYBOARD.
You can hear that every time you type a letter on the keyboard, your phone will say it out loud. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.